Hello, my little honey vlogs, and welcome to our last, final day of our Build-A-Bear Advent Calendar. If it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to see more girly, pink, light-hearted, and we are continuing with our Christmassy content. And welcome into our family of sweet honey vlogs. This is the last day, so if you have not seen the others, I have a playlist for all of my festive videos in the description for you to check out. But let's just jump right into our handy dandy hand cam. Yay! Okay, so today we are going to be opening our very last of this calendar. That is 4 days because this calendar does have 25 days. And yeah, we're going to check out what we've got in the bank, and probably some clothes. Probably some clothes for this little guy that we unboxed last time. So yeah, I'm very excited to see the clothes we're going to be getting from this. So yeah, let's just get right into this. Now, yesterday, we did undo door number 22 already. So we have a little bit of a sneak peek if you saw yesterday, but I still don't know what it is. So I think it is a sort of shirt, but there's a lot of holes. I'm a little bit apprehensive. There's a lot of holes. Let's have a little look, shall we? Make sure to take out the plastic. We don't want him to feel uncomfortable. Oh my gosh, it's actually a little play suit. Oh, that's so sweet. It does have the little hole for their tail in the back. Oh my gosh, and look at the little feetsies, the little handsies. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so we're going to dress our little bear up at the very end. So we'll do day number 23 next. Oh, okay, so these are the shoesies that we saw last couple of times now. I like that these are patterned though. These are like, oh my goodness, I'm really struggling to get this, to snip this because of my thumb actively pushing stuff down. There we go, okay. So we have two little shoeses, which are just nice and tartan coloured to go with that one piece. That's really cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. And then number 24. So this is a day before Christmas. This is what you're getting. And it's a little candy cane hold so he can hold it. It's on a little elastic so our bear can experience the joy of holding a candy cane. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. Ah, so sweet. Okay. Well, before we go over to the other side, let's dress our bear up. Because the final day, day number 25, is on the other side of the calendar, so it may be a big bear. We don't know. We'll have to see. So let's dress up our little bear and see what he looks like. And there you have him. Oh my gosh, they look so cute. Oh my gosh, this is by far my favorite. This is a gorgeous outfit. I love it so much. Oh my goodness, so adorable. Oh, I can't. The tartan outfit is beautiful. And I love this little candy cane. Just everything on this is so gorgeous. And I just love it. Beautiful in the back as well. All stunning. I just love this little outfit. Oh my goodness. I hope you enjoyed the montage of me struggling. But I thought I would show at least once what it's like to dress these bears. I have a little bit of issues with like kind of coordination and stuff like that, so I thought it would be good and useful to show that. But yeah, there you go. There you have it. We have that. All right. So our very last day. Shall we do this? Shall we do this together? I'm a little scared. I'm gonna be honest with you, because yeah, this will be the very last day, and I'm kind of going to miss this, I think. Like going through the calendar every single day, so, and sharing this with you guys. So yeah, if you've been here from the beginning, comment down below, tell us that you've been here the whole time. But yeah, it's been really lovely. I've enjoyed it so far. Let's pull this open. Oh! Okay, I see. So this is a little Christmas decoration to go on your tree. I was confused because I was like, if it's another bear, then we have no outfits to put them in. But maybe it's to encourage you to purchase more outfits. I don't know. But no, they've actually done us a proper job here. And they've provided us with a little ball. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. That's so sweet. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we'll have to cut the tags off of this one too, just because it's kind of protruding from the bottom there. But I think that's a great final little bear. That's so good. Oh, they've nailed this. They've absolutely nailed this. Okay, let me get ready and do our final bits for the review. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to line up everything that we have. Okay, so this was our total haul from from the Advent Calendar, the Build-A-Bear Advent Calendar 2024. And yeah, I am very impressed. This is so good. I love this. I think they've really thought about it. I love all of the array of different characters here. They have some topical favorites like the frog, and I really liked specifically the bunny. I think they were so cute. I just love this set, and all of them are kind of Christmassy in nature. I love the tartan. That looks so good. I think my favorite item is the sleep mask. I think for items of clothing, but I also really loved the outfit, the entire outfit for the brown bear. It's so cute. I just love it. I love that they all came with accessories as well, little things they can hold, like you've got the little present or the candy cane or whichever ones. They were just so good. They were so good. So, a rundown. Is this calendar worth the money? Well, this calendar will set you back around about £40. I'll put the dollary dues on the screen so you can see if you are American. But that puts us at around £1.60 per item in this calendar, which is insane because these bears alone cost £8 each on the store. Let that just sink in. So you got I can't math. I can't math very good. But 5 times 8, and then plus this, I would happily pay £8 for this little bauble, to be honest. Yeah, this looks very good. I like it. And I mean, this is great value, just in general. The mini clothes as well go for around about, it seems, anywhere between kind of £3 to £6 each. So you're even doubling your value just in the mini clothes themselves. So amazing work. Incredible work. I love this. I really wish that the clothes were just a tiny bit more inventive. I would have loved to have seen a different type of dress rather than a t-shirt dress. I also would have loved more of this kind of stuff with the full print, like full outfits. But I do also really love the duo sets. They are really cute. So yeah, I think the most uninventive one was actually the frog outfit. I am not keen on this outfit, but I do appreciate the little shoes. So I feel like we're getting places, right? But I am okay with it. I'm genuinely okay with everything. In fact, I'm blown away. I mean, these are built to last out the season, potentially for years to come. Will I purchase next year's Build-A-Bear Advent Calendar? Yes. Yes, I will be. 110%. This is the first time that I have purchased a Build-A-Bear calendar. I don't know if it's the first year that they're doing it, but it's the first year that I've seen it actively advertised to me as a person that purchases Build-A-Bear. So yeah, it's just nice to see. I really loved everything in it. 110%. Go out there and go get it. If you are into Build-A-Bear, or you just like really sweet bears in sweet outfits, you like dressing them up and stuff, well, there you go. This one you'll get absolute joy out of every single day. Even the smaller, like, little carrying pieces, they're quite underwhelming by themselves when you look at them in the calendar. But when you actually put them onto the bears, it makes 10 times the amount of sense. It really does. And, you know, I think that's what makes it worth it, really. So I think I will be getting these out next year as well, and having them out for a display, so that people can view them and enjoy them as much as I have opening them. So yeah, thank you all so much for coming to every single one of these, or if you've just seen a few, or if this is your last one. Thank you so much for viewing these and just being here with me doing my advent calendar stretch for the very first time. So yeah, it's just been very exciting, and seeing everybody enjoy it and watch the videos is just amazing. So yeah. Okay, I think we will be doing some more advent calendar opening, but we will be doing mostly kind of Christmas crafts and a few more Christmas artist stuff. We'll more than likely be doing another one of those VGen outfit videos, so look forward to that coming out soon. Yes, and if I don't see you before, Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays to all that celebrate, and I hope you all have a fantastic day today, and we'll see you all again next time. Bye bye.